Do you or your agents have a hard time using the agent ID link inside of Real Geeks? Well, mine do. So I decided I would make a spreadsheet for everyone to make life just a little bit easier and making sure that your links work the way that they're supposed to. All right, so here's this spreadsheet real quick. So all you need to do is come in here and put in whatever your URL is. Make sure it's all the way across. So if it's Google, there you go. Make sure you've got your agent ID link and you can get that from your admin or whatever. So I'm going to type in, here's my link number. And if you see down at the bottom, it actually changes it. Here's a drop down menu for you. This is going to say, what kind of link do you want? Do you want a specific property, a general link? So there's my general link based off my agent ID number. Here's my city link. So it does it off of Lexington. Bam, done. MLS number, same way, specific property. Change my MLS number. I'm going to go 22222. There you go. So, and then just copy and paste that link and put it in there and let it roll. Hope that helps everybody out.